Listen, entrepreneurs. Do you think you can succeed in your business alone? Watch this to learn more how a virtual assistant can help grow your business. Hi there. This is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. In this video, we will be talking about the reasons how a virtual assistant can help your business, especially those who are trying to level up and have more online presence. I encourage you to watch till the end for a bonus tip. And if you're here because you want to learn how to be a virtual assistant or how you can get a virtual assistant, I invite you to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. Are you aware of the Pareto Principle, where 80% of the results are because of the 20% of the tasks that you did? As an entrepreneur, do you know the 20% part of your business that produces 80% of the results? You heard it said that you can start your business alone, but in order to grow your business, you need to ask for help. And that is actually correct. So when it comes to business, for example, you are a mentor, a teacher, an educator, a coach, or a consultant. Most probably, the 80% results that you are aiming for are based on the area where you are good at. So maybe you're good at coaching, maybe you're good at being hands-on with your clients, or what you are most passionate about and you can do for the rest of your life is teaching, mentoring, or guiding someone. That would be a 20% part of your business, right? So now I will ask you, are you doing everything yourself? For example, searching for leads, setting up your website and setting up your email automations, or putting up your social media pages and posting on it and updating it? Most of the business owners and fellow entrepreneurs are focusing on 80% tasks with the 20% results, which is actually the opposite. So I'm here to tell you that you can do otherwise. Your 20% is actually the one you're good at. Like I said earlier, maybe you're best in consulting, you're best in giving advice, you're best in teaching, and you're best in recording. But the rest of the tasks, like editing a video, creating emails, researching for clients or prospects, increasing your leads, or your social media presence, they are not your best tasks. They are not your best skills as an entrepreneur. So why are you trying to do everything alone? That's what the people from the virtual industry are here for, actually. If you're only good at 20%, you can delegate the rest of the tasks to a VA, to those who can help you online. So what are the reasons how these VAs can help your business? There are actually 3 reasons that I can give you. One is, these people can help you set up your online pages. For example, you don't have a website yet, or you're planning to, and you just don't have the time to do it, or you want to email your subscribers or email your customers, or you want to increase more leads. These are some of the back office or the tasks that you can actually delegate. That's one of the reasons why VAs can help you. The second reason is that they can help with your online presence, your social media, for brand awareness. So for example, you want to be known online. So you want to make sure that you have those people who can do that for you. You don't have to do it alone, as I've said before. Now, the third reason is, of course, you want more sales, you want more clients to your business. But most of the time, you're spending these tasks that you can actually delegate. So VAs can also help you research that client, increase your leads, and automate everything. For example, you want to have a contest or a giveaway and you want people subscribing to your emails, these VAs can actually help you do that instead of you doing it yourself. Now, if you're liking this video, how about clicking that like button? Imagine if you have a VA with you. Your 8 hours a day are not spread doing those back office tasks or responsibilities that you can actually give to others. If you give that, you have more time to do what you are passionate about. If you're coaching, teaching, recording videos, you can focus more on that and you create more content. And you will let those VAs do the tasks necessary after those in their own time. But by the way, here's a bonus tip. Before you get a VA, for example, you realize, oh yeah, I need a VA, I need someone to assist me with this and that. Before you do that, you just have to think about your business and the things that you want to do, the goals that you want to achieve, and then you must enumerate each task that you want to accomplish and think of this task and enumerate them. If this task is something you can do, you want to do yourself, or you can actually outsource or delegate. Then if you have many things that you can delegate and outsource, that's where you start looking for a VA. And you can actually ask some friends, some fellow entrepreneurs, or you can go to freelance sites, or you can look at Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups, and you will find these particular people that you need for those tasks that you enumerated. If you want to learn more about the VAs, I will share more links in the description below so that you can understand more about them and how they can help your business. Now, it's time to turn over to you. If you're a VA, what are the skills that you are focusing on? And if you're an entrepreneur looking for a VA, you can share in the comments below what tasks do you need to accomplish? What tasks do you need to get done? Now, thank you for watching this video, and if you think this is helpful, go ahead, make sure to comment on the comment section below and share this with your friends. And again, this is Connie Zabala, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.